Add coriander leaves, green chili, garlic clove, salt, lemon juice, and water. Grind to a smooth paste. Coriander chili chutney is ready. Add chopped onion, chopped cabbage, chopped green pepper, grated carrot, red chili flakes, dried oregano leaves, black pepper, Himalayan pink salt, and mayonnaise. Mix well. Veg mayonnaise mix is ready. Apply coriander chili chutney on both sides of the bread. Put cheese slices on both sides. Add a thick layer of veg mayonnaise mix. Apply butter on outer side of the bread. Apply butter on the other side. Cook on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. Veg cheese mayonnaise sandwich on tawa is ready. Smash the like button if you like this recipe video. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.